Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell today by the title, I will be coming to you guys with a Bath and Body Works haul. So if you want to see what I got from Bath and Body Works, just keep on watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already. Welcome if you're a new subscriber. Welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. Thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to like this video down below. Also comment down below and let me know if you like any of the smells that I got, any of the sprays, any of the stuff I got. Let me know if you think that it's cute, whatever, whatnot. Follow me on my socials. And without further ado, we just gonna jump straight into the video. So today I think is the day that Bath and Body Works put out their fall stuff. So I went to the mall with my mom and my niece and we were just shopping around, and I just said something says to just go in there. So I went in there, said I was gonna buy nothing, but as you can see, I came out with a whole bunch of stuff. So I think today is the day they start to put out their fall stuff, and today is only July 19th. When I tell y'all I'm so pressed for fall, like it's literally still July and I'm so pressed for fall. Like I cannot wait for fall to get here. Like I just love fall time so much. I love fall time so much, and Halloween and everything. It's just such a vibe. Like it's July and I'm thinking about fall. Like stop playing. But anyways, I got some sprays from there for the semi-annual sale, and I also got some things today for just like wallflowers and wallflower fragrances. And I also seen some Halloween candles, some Halloween wallflowers, so I got some of those too. But without further ado, because I just keep on talking, I'm just gonna show you everything I got and also tell you guys the prices of everything as I go on. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is the sprays that I got. The first spray is Pink Berry Clouds, and I feel like this smells so freaking good. And then the bottle was so pretty. The bottle was so pretty. It smells so good. The second thing I got was a Champagne Toast. This is like an all year round spray, all year round smell. It smells so good to me. Like I will buy this a million times. They also have another spray called Waikiki Beach Coconut, and it's in a green bottle. Let me show y'all real fast. They also got this spray called Waikiki Beach Coconut. This smells so good, so good, so good, so good. I love this smell so much. I will buy it a million times as well. And then I also got this Blueberry Sugar Pancake Spray. It smells so good. It really smells like blueberries and sugar. Like it really smells good. Like it's fruity, but it's not too super fruity. It smells really good. The last spray I got was this Buttercups and Berry Felony. Girl, I don't know if I said that right, but this is what it looks like, and the bottle was so freaking cute. It has all these flowers on it. As y'all can see, I just got this and used it so much already. Like you can't even be serious. Okay, so the next thing I got was a Wallflower, and let me tell y'all, I've been contemplating on what comforter set to get, because I want a new comforter set. I'm tired of this same old regular comforter set that I've been having for months, and I want a new one. And I also want to change my room around everything. So I said that I was gonna change my room around and do like a marble comforter set. Y'all, tell me why I went there and I found a marble wallflower thing. It was nothing but God telling me, go ahead, get that marble comforter set so it can match your wallflower thing. So I'm like, oh my God, it's gotta be a sign. So I just got the marble wallflower thing, and yes, it's gonna match perfect with my comforter set, because my comforter set is gonna be marble as well. I will put a picture of the comforter set in it somewhere in here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But it's gonna match perfectly. Even if it don't match, it's gonna blend in. I'm gonna have a marble comforter set and then also the marble wallflowers. So this gonna be so cute. Like, it's gonna be so cute. It was definitely a sign from God to get this. I'm telling y'all, because I have been thinking about this marble comforter set all week. And then I ran into this at the store, like it gotta be a sign. Okay, the next thing I got was, oh, I forgot to tell you the prices of everything. Okay, I'm just gonna skim through real fast to tell you the prices of everything. So this champagne toast bottle it was a semi-annual sale, so I can't remember what everything was, but I think all of the bottles was about, I think, let me see, I got my receipt. That's the wrong receipt. It was a semi-annual sale, so I think all of the body sprays were about $5.95 or $4.95. One of those it was, but the original price was $16.50, but the semi-annual sale it was $4.95 or $5.95 if I'm not mistaken. Whatever it was way cheaper than the full price. So, and this one was also $16.50, the regular price, but with the semi-annual sale it was also $4.95 or $5.95 as well. And same goes for this one, it was $16.50. This one was $16.50, with the semi-annual sale it was way cheaper. Don't mark me on my words on the price because I really can't remember the exact price, but I know somewhere around that price it was way cheaper than the full price. I know that for a fact. And then this marble wallflower, oh my god, it's so pretty, y'all. Do y'all see that? Like, stop playing. This marble wallflower was $12.50. This was $12.50. Jumping into the other things that I got. I told you guys they have fall things out and they also have Halloween things out as well. So I saw this keychain and I just could not leave the store without it. I just could not leave the store without it. It was so cute. And you know, I just love Halloween. I love fall time. I love everything about fall and autumn. I love everything about it. So when I seen this, I just could not leave the store without it. Like, stop playing. It's just like a rhinestone ghost hand sanitizer holder. And it's just so cute. Comment down below, let me know if y'all guys think this is cute, because this is really cute. Like, it's really giving. Like, this is gonna be so cute on my keychain. Like, stop even playing. And the price of it was $6.95. It was $6.95. It's so cute. And then this is how it looks if I put a hand sanitizer in there. It just looks like that. So cute, y'all. So this is definitely gonna look cute on my keychain. Like, let's stop even playing. Like, it's gonna be so cute. Also, I got another keychain that I thought was so cute, and it's this white skeleton keychain. I think the eyes turn on like a flashlight. I don't know. Oh yeah, it say press here. Oh yeah, the lights came on. Like, stop playing with me. Halloween, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Fall, Halloween 2022, stop playing with me. Like, for real. Like, who keychain light up? Who got a skeleton keychain that light up? Like, let's stop playing. This is so cute, and it's all dangly, like fragile bones. Like, it's just so cute. Like, it's very much giving a vibe. But I don't think I would put this on my keychain because it's so long. Like, you see how long this body is? It's gonna be so long. So I probably would put it like somewhere on my car, in my car, probably hanging on like the rearview mirror thing, something like that. I'm gonna come up with an idea for it. And this keychain was $12.95. $12.95 for this keychain. Comment down below, let me know if you guys think this is cute or if it's ugly. It's definitely giving for Halloween vibes, and I really think it's cute. Okay, so the next thing I got was a couple hand sanitizers. One of them I don't have right now because it's on my keychain downstairs. It's called Strawberry Shortcake or something like that, and that smells so good. It smells so good. It smells so good. It was $1.95. I also have raspberry lingerie. Raspberry lingerie. I'm tripping. I can't spell. I mean, I can't read. I thought it said lingerie. Raspberry lingerie, and this was also $1.95. This smells so good to me. It smells fruity. I also have champagne toast. I told you I love champagne toast. This was also $1.95. And then I have another one, watermelon lemonade, and I feel like this smells so good. I remember I had the candle for watermelon lemonade, bro. I literally lit that candle every single day until it went out. Like that candle didn't stand a chance in my house. I literally let that candle go before the month was even over. That's how good it smelled. So this is watermelon lemonade hand sanitizer, and it was $1.95 as well. So that's all of the hand sanitizers that I have. Now the last thing I have is a couple Wallflower fragrances, and yeah, we just get into these smells, and I'll also tell you guys the prices of them as well. So the first one I got was champagne apple and honey. All of the Wallflower fragrances was on sale for $3.95 today, so I just went crazy. I went crazy with it, and I got a couple. The first one is champagne apple and honey, and as I stated before, they were all $3.95 each. This smells so good. It really smells like the champagne toast one mixed with like an apple smell, and it just smells so good. It smells so good. The next one I got was marshmallow fireside, and this one is like, it's giving fall fragrance. It smells so good. Like it definitely smells like, this would have your house smelling like fall for sure. Next one I got was sweet cinnamon pumpkin, and this smells so good to me. Like this scent gives me like staying in a cabin all cozied up in the fall time, like bonfires, cinnamon spice. Like that's the vibes that this fragrance gives me, and it smells so good. Like all of these sprays are giving fall, but that one is really giving fall. Sweet cinnamon pumpkin is definitely giving fall. Anything with pumpkin in it or cinnamon is giving fall for sure. So the next one I got was watermelon lemonade. As I told you guys before, this candle didn't stand a chance in my house for past a couple weeks because I kept lighting it every day because it just smells so good. It smells like a fruity smell, and I just love it. Like it just smells so good. Next one I got was pumpkin apple, and this one smells so good. It literally smells like pumpkin with apple in it. Like it smells so good. Like their fall fragrances is really giving fall fragrance. Like they really are. The next one I got was like a Halloween type of fragrance. It's called Gold Friend, and it smells like kind of fruity, and I love fruity smells, so this one is for Halloween. It's called Gold Friend. I hope the camera has been focusing in on these because it's gonna blow me if it's not focusing. But this is Gold Friend. It smells fruity and it smells so good. I had to get it. Last but not least, the last fragrance that I got, last thing of this haul, is this fragrance Wallflower called Leaves. Like the leaves outside. It smells so good. It smells so good. They smell like fall. This leaves one, it really smells like fall. Like this will really have your house smelling good throughout the whole autumn fall time, and you just will, if you put this fragrance on, you will really feel like in a cabin, being cozy, like drinking hot chocolate, eating chili. Like that's what it is, and it's called Leaves. The candles for all of these smell amazing as well, but if you ask me what's my favorite Wallflower fragrance for fall, I would say sweet cinnamon pumpkin, and then I would say Leaves after, and then my third one would be pumpkin apple, because they all give me fall, and I love fall time. I love Halloween. I love fall time. I love anything dealing with autumn, fall, everything. So that is the end of this haul, you guys. I'm sorry that was a little short, small, fast haul for y'all, but I didn't go too crazy today. But when they put more Halloween stuff and more fall stuff out, I will probably go back and get like candles and sprays and stuff once they put sprays out for fall, because they don't have like sprays and lotions out for fall right now. They just have like the candles, the wallflowers, things like that. So when they have that stuff out, I will probably go back and get more, do another haul for y'all if y'all want me to. But before you leave this video, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Like, just like the video. Like, even if you don't watch the whole entire video, just leave me leave me a comment. You don't even gotta watch the whole entire video, just like the video and keep it pushing. Like, all I want for y'all is to just like the video. You don't even gotta watch the whole thing. But anyways, if you watch this whole entire video, thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know if you smell any of these fragrances before, and if you think they smell good or not. And if you think my Halloween keychains are so cute. Like, they're so cute. Stop playing. They're so cute. I love this one so much. But without further ado, I will see you guys next time in my next video. I do have some hauls coming for you guys, clothing hauls, so stay tuned for that. Keep an eye out for that. Cut that post notification bell on so you can know when I post another video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.